If you don't like sweating but still want to stay healthy, then this video is for you. Imagine this, sitting all day, no exercise, and your health silently deteriorating. Scary, right? But don't worry, you don't need a gym or fancy equipment to stay fit. Here are the top home workouts you can do anytime, anywhere. First up, the classic push-up. Just drop and give me 20. It's a full-body workout that strengthens your chest, arms, and core. Next, squats. Perfect for toning those legs and glutes. And guess what? You can do them while brushing your teeth. And let's not forget planks. Hold that position to work on your core stability and strength. Lastly, jumping jacks. Get your heart rate up and burn calories in a flash. So, no excuses. Start these simple exercises today and watch your health transform. Got questions? Drop a comment below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tips. Stay fit, stay healthy.